One of the biggest mistakes beginners in affiliate marketing is picking random products to promote. If you want results fast, you need a strategy for finding the best affiliate offers. That's where the Affiliate Automation Academy comes in. The program shows you exactly how to filter through affiliate networks and choose offers that give you the highest chance of making daily sales. First, you'll learn how to focus on evergreen markets, areas like finance, fitness, and online education. These niches don't fade with trends, so your efforts keep paying off long term. Next, you'll get a system for spotting high-paying commissions. Instead of needing 100 sales to make decent money, you can hit your income goals with just a handful of sales by choosing offers that pay $500 or more. Finally, the course teaches you how to use conversion data, things like EPC, refund rates, demand trends, to validate whether an offer is worth your time. No more guesswork. If you want to cut out the confusion and start promoting the right offers from day one, click the link in the description to join the Affiliate Automation Academy through my link.